Tesla vehicles use a touchscreen-based wiper control system. Models S3, XY, and Cybertruck feature this digital interface. To activate wipers, swipe down from the top edge of the central touchscreen or tap the wiper icon under Controls. This opens the wiper menu where you can select from off, auto, which uses rain sensors, low for intermittent or slow speed, and high for fast speed. To activate the washer fluid, hold the wiper icon for 2 to 3 seconds or tap a dedicated washer button if available on your model, like the Model X. The fluid will spray for 3 to 5 seconds from a reservoir holding 6 to 7 liters, depending on the model. The touchscreen needs to be powered on to use wipers. Tesla's auto wiper mode uses rain sensors on the windshield to detect moisture, integrating with autopilot for hands-free operation in rainy conditions. For safety, wipers auto-disable at speeds above 80 mph, which is 129 km per hour. The system includes a wiper service alert via the touchscreen if maintenance is needed. Trends show Tesla wiper controls are increasingly tied to full self-driving, where AI can preemptively activate wipers based on environmental data. Future outlooks point to AI-driven predictive maintenance, using over-the-air updates to optimize fluid usage and blade replacement alerts. Cybertruck models feature rugged designs for off-road use and have four-arm wiper systems and a heated washer system for extreme conditions.